Welcome to day 9 challenge of attracting more money in your life. Hi, my name is Mitesh Khatri. This is
Indu Khatri.
And we are law of attraction coaches and national best-selling authors of the book, The Law of Attraction. Congratulations if you made it here today on day 9. It's a big deal. Give yourself a bit pat on your back right now. Day 9, mujhe bhi, because I also did the challenge with you, right? So congratulations. In case you're meeting us for the first time for this challenge, make sure you go through the earlier videos as well. The links are in the description below, because if you don't go through those 8 challenges, the 9th one will not make sense to you. But those of you who are here after 8 days, congratulations. Let's continue. What is the day 9 challenge, Indu?
So day 9 challenge, we are going to gift somebody something in any form. You can give money, you can give gift, anything of your choice. You want to give it to somebody, or you can give somebody gift a course, maybe DMP, or maybe a book. You can gift it to somebody, but gift somebody
something
today. So I'll give you an example. What there is a friend of mine. So every time somebody comes to her place, and obviously her house help has to do little extra work because somebody has appeared. Like even if I go, there are like multiple rounds.
The maid has to do extra work, has to make
Multiple
extra
rounds
tea.
of chai and coffee and stuff. So this friend of mine, she will go and keep maybe a 500 rupees or a 200 rupees note in her wallet. Yesterday evening,
She actually does that.
it was raining and there was one very old man. He was selling bananas. He was going with his cart. This girl ran down, literally ran down and gave him 1,000 rupees and came back. She does that. She also has.
Imagine the happiness he must have got.
And that brings her loads of blessings and satisfaction.
That word reminds me when she says blessings. This is the lesson for you today. This is the challenge. Be a blessing of money for someone else. Don't just keep receiving. Time to start giving now.
Yeah.
Be a blessing of money for someone else. It can be a surprise.
It can be a
gift.
Small also.
It can be known. It can be unknown. What I mean by that is you don't have to tell the person all the time. Sometimes it can be without even telling the person. Sometimes it can be by telling the person. But be a blessing for somebody. It can be your maids at home. It can be a beggar on the road. It can be a friend of yours who needs money and you've known about it for a long time. Maybe you can help in a small way. To give you a very good example, very recently, I got a message from one of our, I wouldn't say a really friend, but kind of an acquaintance, sent a message saying that there is this one particular bird which somebody has left out of his door and he's injured. But he doesn't have the money to take care of this bird's medical treatment. We immediately transferred that money to him. And he sent me photographs and videos back later, remember?
Yeah.
That the bird is getting cured.
Yeah.
And believe it or not, the bird had fracture in its leg. And there was a small fracture which he then removed later. He showed me that the leg is healing and that the bird is taking medicines now.
He was so happy.
He was so happy.
We were so happy. We were so happy.
I remember we had tears in our eyes when we saw the bird first time getting healed. Have this feeling of giving. Be a blessing for someone. And the more you vibrate at that frequency, repeat it with me, I am a blessing of money to somebody. And keep doing this. Keep serving somebody for the next couple of days. Help somebody make money, help somebody have money, help somebody experience money, help somebody enjoy money, help somebody receive money through you. You be a medium of money to somebody else for a couple of days and then check the magic that happens in your life.
It can be as simple as small as also you've gone out for a cup of coffee. Buy coffee for somebody. You've gone out for tea or vada pav. Just buy one vada pav for somebody. The other day, you remember, we had bought sandwiches and I bought a sandwich for a beggar. And she was so happy. She had a big smile on her face. It's just a sandwich.
Simple. So are you going to be a blessing to someone for money? Type it in the comment section right now. I am a blessing of money to many people in the world. Type that in the comment section and I will see you soon in the next challenge. Until then, make sure that you spread this message, spread this mission to minimum 3 of your friends so that more and more people can be a blessing to more and more people. And of course, before you go to the next challenge, you would need an email as a reminder that yes, we are doing the next challenge, right? So how do you get the next email? Yada?
Yes, now I remember. Subscribe to my channel. There is a subscribe button and there is a bell icon.
Yeah, so be a blessing to our channel. Hit that subscribe button. You don't need to give money. You just need to click the subscribe button. Immediately after that, you'll see the bell icon. Hit the bell icon so you'll get a notification for the next challenge. See you soon.